How many people aware Elon Musk? What about his companies? Anyone can you please tell? Tesla and SpaceX. Consider just only these two things. Tesla. What is the main product of Tesla brand?
Cars.
Cars.
Electric.
Electric cars. Remember that. EVs. Electric vehicles. Electric cars is the main product from the Tesla. What is the main product from SpaceX?
Rocket.
Rockets.
Reusable rocket.
Rockets. Like, do you know why I must spell out this? Elon Musk always follows first principles of thinking. Remember this word. Listen very carefully. Elon Musk is always follows which thing? First principles of thinking. Very, very important concept. What is the name? Can you spell out? First principles of thinking. What is the meaning of first principles thinking? Okay, how this person became the first trillionaire in the world. Okay, what about his way of thinking? Very important. EVs, electric vehicles, why these many years doesn't exist? Okay, once a Tesla came, then electric vehicles evaluation came into the picture. Now came, so now it's slowly occupying, slowly replacing petrol vehicles, diesel vehicles. Slowly, it's happening. Why earlier electric vehicles were not that much popular? Was not there. There, man, very rich people have electric vehicles before Tesla. Very rich people have that. But why everyone not having the electric vehicle? The reason for that is that is the very costly to build. Very costly to build. Okay, like then do you know that's why very costly. No company interested to build electric vehicles in the world. Very few people, the most rich people, only having the electric vehicles. Well, similarly, rockets also. So 1950s, 1960s onwards only rockets were there. But any one required rocket, only two persons provide rocket. Either Russia people or otherwise NASA people. Okay, NASA. Only rocket, if any person required, these two are the point of contacts. Either Russia or America. America means NASA. Only these two people. What is the reason for that? Is a rocket. Build a rocket. The very costly. Very costly. That's why small companies not having the dare to start rocket production. Not having the dare to start EV, electric vehicles. Then Elon Musk came into the picture. What is always going to do? What is the meaning of first principles of thinking? What this person is always going to do is, he's always going to divide the item into parts. Kaima kind of thing. Kaima. Mutton kaima or mutton keema, something like you are always using, right? Cut. The same way, he took electric car. Forget about SpaceX rocket, later we will took. He took electric car. This thinking is very important for you people in controlling your expenses. He took electric car. He divided that electric car into pieces and so on. Pieces, almost minute pieces. Then he is always going to start asking the question, why I have to build this item only with this material? by physics I should follow, or that is the tradition we are following from the past. By physics, by science we require to follow. Don't touch. Don't touch, because science is involved, science is associated. Don't touch that. By physics, compulsory we require to follow. Then okay. So just that is the tradition we are following from long years onwards. If you have such type of thing, immediately think about, can I replace this item with a less cost with any other material? Like he started thinking each and every part is always going to ask these questions only. So first step, what is the first step? Divide into multiple pieces. Divide into multiple pieces. Now start asking each piece. Array, why I have to build, okay, this item like this only, like this only. Next, why I required. So to follow this material only. Okay, like all possible questions is going to hit to that. If the reason is by science you require to follow, he's not going to touch. If the science involvement is not there, boss, just by tradition we are following. Oh, by tradition if you are following, what is the need of this costly? Is there any chance to replace with a less cost item? Can I reduce the cost by producing these items in bulk? Like all possibilities is going to check, man. Dot. For every component is going to do that. Then automatically what will happen is, so now with the less cost alternatives, at last again, he's going to rebuild the things. He's going to rebuild the things. Now the cost is going to be reduced. Sometimes 25%, sometimes 50%, sometimes 75% cost is going to be reduced. Because of this approach only, Tesla car, electric car, okay, is available minimum 50% less cost when compared with the earlier. He asked only one question. In Tesla, in the electric vehicle, what may be the biggest reason? What is the biggest reason? Okay, why it's a costly item? Because of manufacturing process, or because of items, or because of battery? Like, sir, he identified that because of battery only. Next, why this battery? We require to create like this. Do you have any alternative way? Next, this battery is the very costly. This battery, by process, because of process, manufacturing process, it is the costly, or because of its items, it is the costly. Like he started thinking. Then by process only. Okay, items are very less cost, but manufacturing process only. Because of that, the battery cost is very high. Okay, if I do in bulk process, in the bulk, so 1 lakh batteries creation, 2 lakh batteries creation, if I do in bulk, can I reduce its cost? All possibilities is going to analyze, man, to reduce the cost. Then these are various possibilities are there. With these alternative possibilities, can you please rebuild the system? Then obviously, what will happen is the cost of that product is going to be reduced. That is this type of thinking is by default considered first principles of thinking. Elon Musk always follows this first principles of thinking only. Everything question. So why you have to do like this only? By science or by tradition from the old generations? By tradition from the old generations, remove that bloody thing. Find out alternatives like next rocket also. Why the rocket cost is very high? Because of engine, because of the metal they are using, because of that it's very costly. Okay, why don't you replace? Why this engine is very costly? Next, why this metal is replaced with a stainless steel? These days it is available. And these days it is available at low cost. Can I replace? Yes. There is no science involved. Happily you can replace. Next, the engine, rocket engine is very costly. Because of parts it is costly, or because of manufacturing it is costly. Because of manufacturing it is costly. Because 250, 300 parts will be there. All these parts should require to connect. In the olden days, what we are doing? What is the need of connecting these many parts? 3D printing technology came. Use 3D printing, combine multiple parts into a single part. So combine all those things into 2 or 3 parts only. Major 2 or 3 parts only. So rocket engine manufacturing will become very less cost. Then overall rocket cost is going to be reduced. This thinking is by default considered as first principles thinking. Apply first principles thinking for all your expenses. That is the most important point. For all your expenses, apply first principles thinking. Sir, I'm taking groceries from the DMart only. Now, why we require to take only from the DMart? Is there any science is there, or by habitization am I doing this one? Most of the times by habitization only. Okay. Is there any other place? Can I get low price? Or whatever all the items I'm taking in the DMart, am I getting at the best price? Like one day, if you are going to check, sir, DMart is the best only for these 4 items only. But this item is available at very low price at outside. Very fortunate thing is, my just beside my house there is a kirana shop wala is there. That kirana shop wala same item is going to provide at very less price. But years onwards, I'm taking that item from the DMart only. I didn't check. Is it really available at low price somewhere else? I didn't check. Then, so years onwards, same expenses, same thing by default is going to be happen. Check that. Why I require to buy this item only in the DMart? Can I buy anywhere else with less cost? With less cost. Only one time you require to analyze. Every item you are buying, every expense you are taking, better to apply Elon Musk first principles. Just like rocket cost, 75% rocket cost. Suppose, so $100 million is the rocket cost. But after applying first principles thinking, it became to $25 million only. Instead of $100 million, $25 million only rocket is ready. The same way, all your expenses by science are just for habitization from the old generations am I doing? If I habitization from the old generations, can I replace with any other low level activity, low level kind of thing like you can ask. What a wonderful concept. Best example for you. Okay, to get the idea about first principles thinking, because it's very helpful for you to control your expenses.